Welcome back to our BGX world. Welcome back to our BGX world. Today, I'm excited to share how I just earned 400 to USDT from the Dogs Airdrop, and why the Blum Airdrop could be the next big opportunity. Stay tuned. Let's jump right in. I recently participated in the Dogs Airdrop, and guess what? I earned 400 to USDT by completing a few simple tasks like following their social media and joining their Telegram group. It was quick and easy, and the rewards were impressive. Now, let's talk about the upcoming Blum Airdrop. Blum is generating a lot of buzz, and it could be just as profitable as Dogs, if not more. To prepare, make sure you're following their social channels and are ready to act fast when the airdrop goes live. You can earn Blum by following the simple steps. You can claim Blum in every 8 hours. Referral is major point of this airdrop. You can multiply your reward by referring your friends. You can earn also by playing games. I'll be keeping a close eye on this one, and you should too. Set your reminders, you won't want to miss this chance. Before we go, here are some quick tips. Always do your research. Join our airdrop communities and stay consistent. Airdrops are a great way to build up your crypto portfolio with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our BGX World for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.